Khongjom Day is being observed across the state today to honor Manipuri heroes who were killed during the 1891 Anglo-Manipuri War. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren, Governor Dr. Nazima Heptullah and ministers paid tribute to the brave hearts of Khongjom, where one of the battles of Anglo-Manipuri War took place. Chief Minister N. Biren on the occasion remembered brave patriot Pauna Brijabasi and others who fought the British at the Khongjom battle. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will hold a series of meetings today, including one with chief ministers of states with high burden of COVID-19 cases. The COVID-19 situation in India continues to remain grim even as the country reported the world's highest single-day spike with over 3.14 lakh cases yesterday. With rising cases, the second wave of the pandemic has raised new fears about the crumbling health services as several states struggle with a shortage of oxygen and ICU beds. Taking note of the crisis, the Ministry of Home Affairs has directed states to ensure that the interstate supply of medical oxygen is not obstructed for any reasons whatsoever. Manipur's COVID-19 total tally now has increased to 30,047 with 86 new cases registered in the past 24 hours. The fresh cases were reported from Imphal West, Imphal East, Thoubal, Bishnupur, Kakching, Senapati, Churachandpur and Chandel districts. A 56-year-old male from Imphal East died at RIMS in the last 24 hours, taking the total death toll to 381. The state's COVID-19 active cases are 513 while 29,153 persons have been recuperated so far. The recovery rate stands at 97.02%. 13 COVID-19 patients died in a hospital fire at Vihar in Falghar district of Maharashtra early today, police said. As per media reports, the fire broke out in the ICU of the hospital around 3 am, they said. District Disaster Control Cell Chief Vivekanand Kadam told PTI that the fire was preceded by an explosion in the AC unit of the intensive care unit. There were 16 patients undergoing treatment at the hospital, the report added.